This is all. Okay. This is my birthday lunch. No. Okay. This is my birthday lunch.
We were riding four-wheelers up in the mountains.
You already started cooking rice?
Yeah. Mother, where is that? Direction?
We're supposed to wait. Hi guys, we are in the kitchen again, another day here with my friends from Sri Lanka, two guys. And we are cooking Sri Lanka food. I don't know what we are cooking though. I just know we are having different type of food. What are we cooking?
Normally we are normally we are preparing rice and curry. That's a normal traditional way of cooking in Sri Lanka in most of the time, in most of the households. So today we started with rice. Already we have started cooking rice. Normally we are using non-sticky rice, but in Japan it is difficult to find non-sticky rice. Finally, we was able to find some rice from Indian restaurant, Indian shop. So we have already started cooking rice. Now then we are going to prepare some curries, especially one of the most famous vegetable in Sri Lanka. That is this one is bitter gourd. I'm going to prepare the bitter gourd, and first of all I should cut some onion.
This is better. Okay, and what are you doing?
This is chicken curry. I prepare chicken curry with some spices, more spices.
Oh, let me see the spice. Oh.
This one is take from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka? You bought it here in Japan?
No. This is a Sri Lankan one.
Oh, okay. Fine. We are using different type of spices and herbs. Like, I'm going to show all the spices and herbs we are using today. We are using
garlic.
Oh, garlic. Okay. And then we are using tamarind spice, or I don't know, it's a pest. And then we have bitter gourd. The main dish is bitter gourd. And then we have pepper, sweet pepper. And we have eggplant. Then we have tomatoes. Yeah, these are some of the vegetables that we're using. For the bitter gourd. For this bitter gourd, we are frying them in eggs. But then we are also making gravy, coconut with coconut. We are also using this one. And then that's all for now. And the spices, whole lot of spices. We have other vegetables like potato. We are also cooking. And carrot. These are all food from Sri Lanka. And we have lettuce, also from Sri Lanka, red one. And we have even the salt is from Sri Lanka. This is strange. Oh, okay, this Maggi, we also have it in Africa. I know Central Africa, but not in Namibia. We don't use this one, we don't have it. But it's in other countries like Nigeria. And for the spices, we have turmeric powder, pepper powder, and cinnamon, my favorite of all the time.
Do you like cinnamon?
I love it, love it.
You mean some?
Where can you put cinnamon? We can put cinnamon in DVD.
This one is from my home. We are producing.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to eat raw cinnamon later. Then we have chili pepper. And then this is curry powder. And this one chili pieces. So a whole lot of chili. For my taste, I love chili. I can even put chili in my lemon. Or this is a melon. I'm just going to eat this one while I'm waiting for we're going to finish cooking. So I'm being treated to my birthday lunch. For my birthday, I'm getting a lunch. So very thoughtful.
Dal, you know? The dal.
The lentils, I love them, but we only have the green one. I never thought they would have another color. But how do they grow? Do they grow like beans, or how do they grow?
This one is not cultivated in Sri Lanka. We are imported from India.
But how do they grow? Like, is it like on a tree, big tree?
No, small one. Small.
They grow like beans.
Yeah.
I'm eating melon. I'm going to grab. Can't wait for the final food. I've been having Japanese food. Now it's all about getting food from Sri Lanka. Then I'm good to go. Oh, you are just boiling a small pot. I will not put in everything. Useless. What can I be cutting?
Sorry?
I feel useless. I feel useless. What can I be doing?
This one is not the better.
The eggs were destroyed. Did you just buy them today?
Yeah.
Oh, then I will use it now. These eggs actually look different. This is how they will look like. They are going to be used to fry sweet potato. Pepper only. Nice cheese. First time I cook this one, terrible. But the second time is lucky, so stay tuned for the second time.
You can show this one.
So then what I missed out last time is this part. After cutting, I'm supposed to boil in water. This chicken. Lentils. Are you going to cook it as sauce or what? The lentils. How are you going to cook it? Is this up?
And onion,
garlic.
chili. the spices,
I
garlic,
see cinnamon.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon in there.
some water, and after that we mix it and put in the put on this.
It seems like this meal is going to take forever.
Yeah. Then
Because
after boiling it, after cooking it, we add some coconut milk to that.
oh,
Yeah.
so it's going to be like a soup.
Not so. It's a curry.
Curry. Oh, I don't know what is a curry might be. Yeah, the curry is the one.
Of your life.
I think I've eaten the curry, but I don't know how. So I'll learn and go do it at home. Then we remove this one from the...
Yeah, then transferring it to cold water. I want to stop cooking process.
How many minutes have you been boiling them?
Around 5 to 10 minutes. You should have a special cloth to remove this.
Oh,
But at this moment I am not able to find such.
cheesecloth. It's called cheesecloth.
So don't include this kind of things.
Okay. Let me go. Is this curry done? Let me do the test. To us, to me, curry mean meat with curry.
It's very hot.
Very hot.
After it,
And the meat is also done cooking. Smells nice. What did you put in the meat? Coconut.
coconut milk.
Oh,
The coconut milk.
fermented curry. I like it. Bitter gourd. And today I'm a vegetarian. With all these vegetables, I'm a vegetarian. Officially a vegetarian. And then I thought it would rain all day, but still not raining. Rice is finished. With more vegetable to be cooked. Now this is the eggplant. And then the bitter gourd. We are almost at the end of our cooking. And then this is chicken. And then lentil with, they all cooked with coconut milk. Sorry, this is the food that we finished cooking.
This is the rice. Prepare cooked rice.
It's like normal rice. And then we have eggplant here. Brenton's curry. Bitter gourd
Dal.
fried.
Dal curry.
Dal. And chicken, enough for Sofia only, but unfortunately we are 100. So, yeah. This is all. Okay, okay. Yeah. This is my birthday lunch. No, okay. This is my birthday lunch. We have rice, curry. Here they say daha, not daha. Yeah, and chicken pieces. This one is bitter gourd, and then we have eggplant. I don't know if I should start with the bitter gourd that I'm scared of. This one. nice that day.
Thank you.
They say in Sri Lanka they eat with hands. I don't know. Now to eat with my hand.
We mix all together.
At the same time.
Yeah. Fish.
No. Thank you.